comprehend, yes. Then I'm out because he didn't. I'm on a mission, and bitch, I'm into the winning. I'm making ends meet, turning meal tickets in a matter of minutes. And when it comes to money making, Alfie is a hustler. Oh yes, this youngster will pull it a 5 and buck. Yeah, it's gonna be F you in when I hit this big bin. 10 in you. So what you wanna do? Shoot the 5 niggas or keep rolling with the twos. My styles are original, but my flows ain't fictional. I'm exploding quick when I'm unloading hits. Jay Swift playing a kite lens like violins. Now let me finish rhyming.
Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't.
Yes, it's F you in, so I don't give a shit when I begin. Check it out.
Check it out. I got a blunt in the back and a stunt in the gas. That's fun, that's fun, that's fun, that's fun. I got a blunt in the back and a stunt in the gas. That's fun, that's fun, that's fun, that's fun.
Spanky's coming around the bend again on a new note with my pen. Having F you in the Wasco Castle. This little asshole snatched the dip and tied her up with my lasso. Don't give me no hassle, I hit slow, not fast. So lift up and give me an open shot. Don't ever try to put me on the spot. I'll break it right down with the plot. And I get soft on the scene for the time being. And kicks off more styles than Adidas. But till this day I hate a cheater. A bat to your throat if you ever tried to beat us. So need I say more? Must I pull around my restored in the back to make my shit fat on that or tapes? Cause this Aries carries traits and skills that I know you couldn't contemplate. I can't wait, cause in the end I'm having F you in.
With the depth, put your mother bucket hands together when I say clap. Hey girlies with curlies, we're good for nasty games. Every dobby know his ass goes be running tanks. My last name is Weed, you know I never get enough, so I pass the felonious blunders. I play like the fiddle, but we came to half step, not me, a wibble. Good be gumdrops, I'm like an apple rotten. Not breaking a sweat mouth from my bets have already been forgotten. So give me the old days and with no delays. I was having fun every day, so every dobby dance, dump fun out your pants, buck weed, pulls your girls, or at one glance. You know we got it like that. I pull off my hoodie and cap, and all you see is nibber naps. But I don't care, I don't comb my hair. I broke a lot of combs, and I broke all the spares. People laughing, some of you may think it's funny, but easy. I'm snatching up all your money. Alls I get is the hassles. Who do you wanna swing with that West Side West?
On a blunt in the horse. The pressure from the applause is leveling me by my boss. Near this stage I pause. Microphones been more niggas applauded through confetti, starting off my nightlife swinging chords. You ain't ready. Goobers collaborating, stop boy and screaming. Be open to new concepts, lines, rhymes, meanings, beginnings. There's no beginning to your endings. The youth is still peaking, your social flows are reaping. Got me preaching, but that's fun to me. I teach an MC to be all that he can be, and if he be whacked, in fact, he didn't learn from me, because I be the narrator for new scripts that say army.